Beachy Head. So we have plans of walking till the Berlin Gap. So yeah, let's see. And this is a beautiful place. It's full of greenery. Towards the Beachy Head top, and here you can see the lighthouse. So this is a watchtower. Right. Our first stop will be Beachy Head. Beachy Head is the highest chalk cliff in Britain, rising to 530 feet, overlooking the south coast of England. Our next stop is Belle Tout Lighthouse. Belle Tout Lighthouse is a decommissioned lighthouse. It is famous as Britain's most inhabited lighthouse. This is such an amazing walk. This entire trek is on the cliffs and green meadows and with the seaside. So it's a beautiful walk. Here is quite a good slope, so it's completely uphill after this. We are almost there. Now you can see the Seven Sisters Cliff.